So you ship the demo. The first few prompts work, smiles around the table. But before that thing goes live to real users, how do you actually know it's good? For most teams, the answer is the vibe check. You throw a couple of prompts at it, you read the answers, the vibes feel right, and you launch. Here's the trap. Vibes don't scale. Vibes don't catch the user who just got a polite answer while the next user got a confidently wrong one. Vibes don't survive a model upgrade. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. Welcome to the world of AI Evals. AI Evals, short for evaluations, are the systematic methods we use to measure the performance, the relevance, and the safety of an AI's output. Think of them as unit tests for AI. Except instead of checking whether the code compiles, you're checking whether the reasoning is sound, the tone is right, and the facts hold up. Without evals, every prompt change is a coin flip. You won't know if you made it better or quietly broke it. A solid evaluation framework rests on 3 pillars. The first is accuracy. Is the model hallucinating? In a medical app, in a finance app, in any product with consequences, accuracy is non-negotiable. The second pillar is relevance. Did the AI actually answer the question? Or did it drift into a polite, well-written tangent that misses the point? The third pillar is safety. Is the output free of bias, toxicity, and prompt injection? Your job as the PM is to decide which of these pillars matters most for your product and how strict the bar should be. Now, how do we actually measure these things? 2 flavors. Deterministic evals are black and white. Did the model return valid JSON? Did it include the required keyword? Pass or fail. Easy to automate. But AI is creative, and that means a lot of what matters is probabilistic. How polite was the response? How concise? How safe? These need rubrics, score distributions, human reviewers, or another AI acting as the judge. Here's the part that lands on you, the PM. Your job isn't to write the eval code. Your job is to define what good looks like. You curate the golden dataset, the real user queries paired with the answers you wish the AI would give. You write the rubrics. If you don't set the standard, your engineers won't know what target to hit. Evals are the bridge between user expectations and shipped quality. So here's the move. Ditch the vibe check. Build the eval system. Accuracy, relevance, safety. Next episode, we go deeper, the judge framework. How to use AI to evaluate AI at scale. If this helped, hit subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what's the hardest thing you've had to evaluate in your AI products? See you next time.